napapansin, mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis. Hindi mo ba naitatanong, banggo'y may ayos na sinusundan, sa masino yan malalaman? Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, tuklasin ang pagkabuhay natin, halina, basta tayo.
Good morning, math haters and lovers. Welcome to Mr. Ace, ang math show ng bayan. Another interesting topic is waiting for you viewers to be enjoyed, as if you will be enjoying math and learn. But hopefully you will learn. This day we will be discussing about the misconceptions in algebra and ways of correcting misconceptions. Are you ready? But before that, let's read first this article coming from Google. Well, mathematics is indeed a universal language. Even errors are universal. Our reference for today is a book called Mathematics Essential Guide, a Study Guide, published by Ace at Work, and the author is Tat Huat. Students, teachers, and viewers, here are our top 10 list. First, we have squaring the negative. A minus squared unless it's been snared.
The misconception given to you by Mr. Ace a while ago is that negative 8 squared is equal to 64. So to correct this one, we have first, the quantity of negative 8 squared is equal to 64. And negative 8 squared is equal to negative 64. So in conclusion, we have negative 8 squared is not equal to 64 but equal to negative 64.
Thank you, Tamakban. They showed us what to do to avoid the misconceptions. Second conception, we have about logarithms. The log of the sum ain't the sum of the log.
Here's a common misconception committed by students saying that the log of a sum is equal to the sum of the logs. Well, actually, there is no property saying that this statement is true. The correct statement is that the sum of the logs is equal to the log of the products. Therefore, this statement is not equal, and this is the correct statement. So, gets?
Our top 8 algebra misconceptions is adding fractions. Find the LCD, do not add the similar. Here it is.
Here's the 8th misconception. We are to add 3 fractions. Here, we directly add the numerator and then the denominator. So the misconception is, do not add the similar, find the LCD. So, here's the correct way. We have to find first the LCD of these 2 fractions. So the LCD of these 2 fractions is 2x. So that's it. Yes?
The Ma'ban is indeed a mathematician. Next, we have inequalities. Multiplying the inequality by a negative flips the inequality.
So here's our top 7 by Ace misconception. Negative 3 times the quantity of x less than 5 is equal to negative 3x less than negative 15. So multiplying negative to inequality flips the inequality. So negative 3 times the quantity of x less than 5 is equal to negative 3x greater than negative 15. So this is not equal to that. That's it.
Tama! Top 6. Fractional exponent. Don't flip over the root.
Top 6 in our list is that 25 to the power of 1/2 is equal to 1 over 25 squared, which is basically wrong. Because this 25 to the power of 1/2 is equal to the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. And this 1 over 25 squared is equal to 25 to the power of negative 2. So this is basically wrong.
Top 5. On exponents. When in doubt, write it out. The correction of this is given by the Tamaban.
Can Okay, we have here in our example, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8, which is basically wrong. 2 to the power of 4 is not equal to 8, which implies that 2 to the power of 4 should be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so which will be equal to 16. So, in general, x to the 4 is just equal to x times x times x times x. That's all. Mama!
Down to top 4, we have subtraction. Don't forget to share the minus and the negativity. We have this, tama ba?
Here's the fourth misconception, which is don't forget to share minus and the negativity. The correct way of doing this is that you have to distribute minus to the quantity so that it will become negative 3 minus x. Another example, we have to distribute negative to this quantity 2 minus x. So it will become negative 2 plus x. So the whole equation is that 3x minus 2 plus x. So gets?
Tama, 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 tama!
3. Cancellation. Cancel factors, not individual terms.
Our top 3 here, we have common misconception. They cancel x's. So, in this example, x divided by x minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by x negative 5, which is very wrong. So, this is only true only if negative 5 is the numerical coefficient of x. Then you can cancel x's, which is equal to 1 over negative 5. So, this is very wrong. Tama!
Top 2. Quadratics. I really love quadratics. Remember exponents 2. Answers 2.
Okay, we have here square root of 25 is equal to 5, which is partially correct. Because square root of 25 is equal to positive and negative 5. So x squared is equal to 25, which is x is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 5.
Down with the last one. The top misconceptions in algebra. We have squaring. Don't forget to fold.
Now, top in our list is the misconception of students in squaring binomials. We have here an example. The quantity of x minus 3 squared is equal to x squared minus 3, which is very wrong. So don't forget your FOIL method. First, multiply the first terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and the last terms. So we have here x minus 3 squared is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 3, which is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. And this is basically wrong.
Thank you viewers for viewing my show. This is The Ace, ang math show ng bayan. Goodbye!
Just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, then aim for my heart. If you feel